Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create Yahoo Mail signature. So first, we're gonna go to the settings, click on more settings, then over here, click on writing email, and this is where we can edit our signature. So we can utilize the options over here at the bottom to create our signature. We can change the font size to whichever we'd like to use. Then you can also change the font over here. Then you can also change the color. You can also italicize it or bold it, or you can also add a link or an emoticon. Then if you click on the three dot option, you can also change the alignment of your signature, and you can also add bullets like so. So just go ahead and type in your name or your signature, then just select the name so that you can edit. So I'm going to change the color, then I'm also going to bold this, and then I'm also going to change the font. And once you're okay with your signature, just leave it there and it will automatically be saved. So that's it. Thanks for watching.